Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a cornfield located in western Kentucky, where a 480 engine horsepower Case IH 8260 Axial Flow combine equipped with a 410 bushel grain tank is harvesting the crop with a 30-foot wide, 12-row, 30-inch spaced Drago GT corn head. In this presentation, I would like to share with you the combine's production history, specifications, and base list price tag, as well as taking viewers for a ride in the cab of the combine to visit with the farmer. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear all this corn harvesting action. The Case IH 260 Axial Flow Series combines were new for model year 2024. They include three models ranging from the Class 7 402 engine horsepower 7260 up to the Class 9 550 engine horsepower 9260. They are manufactured at Case IH's combine plant in Grand Island, Nebraska. The Case IH 8260 is a Class 8 model, and that classification is based on horsepower. The combine is powered by a 12.9 liter, 787 cubic inch Case IH FPT engine rated at 480 horsepower. The machine can achieve a power rise in tough field conditions up to 555 horsepower. It is fitted with a 297-gallon diesel fuel tank and is equipped with a 43-gallon diesel exhaust fluid tank for clean engine solutions. This combine offers a 4-speed hydrostatic electric shift transmission. Threshing begins with a 54-inch wide feeder house and a CVT drive 30-inch diameter, 103.3-inch long axle-style single rotor. It has a total sieve cleaning area of 10,075 square inches. This machine is equipped with a 410 bushel grain tank that pours grain out at 4.5 bushels per second from a 28.9 foot unloading auger. This harvester weighs in at 46,979 pounds. According to CaseIH.com, the base list price for a model year 2025 8260 Axial Flow combine is $827,165. The combine working in this video is equipped with PowerFlex tracks, which have an additional cost of $157,212. Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a cornfield located in south central Wisconsin, where a model year 1991 190 horsepower Case International 1660 Axial Flow combine with a 180 bushel grain bin is harvesting the crop. With a 6-row, 30-inch wide Case International 1063 corn head. In this presentation, I would like to share with you the combine's production history, specifications, and original price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear all this harvesting action. The 1600 series of Axial Flow combines were manufactured by Case International in East Moline, Illinois from 1986 through 1992. The combines included in this range are the 145 horsepower, 125 bushel, 1620, the 160 horsepower, 145 bushel, 1640, the 190 horsepower, 180 bushel, 1660, the 235 horsepower, 210 bushel, 1680, and in model year 1989, the 235 horsepower, 210 bushel, 1670 Hillside Combine was added to this lineup. The 1660 was a top seller in the 1600 series. It was the direct replacement for the Case International 1460 Axial Flow Combine, which is powered by an International DT436 engine rated at 170 horsepower. The combine has a similar specification as the 1660 with a 180 bushel grain tank and a 24-inch diameter axle style rotor. There are key differences between the 1460 and the 1660. The updated 1660 has a 15.5% concave area increase and a 32% separating area increase. Additional changes include the location of the radiator rotary screen, which moved from the right-hand side of the combine to the rear. The cab was upgraded with an improved lighting package, controls, as well as a modern comfort hydrocushion seat. The price difference between the 1460 and 1660's upgrades and advances was $20,973. The base list price for a Case International 1460 Axial Flow was $85,700. The 1660 was available with two different engines during its production run. From 1986 through early 1989, the combine was powered by a 7.6-liter, 466 cubic inch Navistar International DT466B engine rated at 180 horsepower. On April 1st, 1989, the combine's power plant was changed over to an 8.3-liter, 504 cubic inch CDC 6T830 engine rated at 190 horsepower. CDC engines were a joint venture between the Case Corporation and Cummins Incorporated. They created the Consolidated Diesel Corporation that produced engines in Rocky Mountain, Tennessee. The CDC engines were not only used in the 1600 series of Axial Flow combines, but were used across the range of Magnum tractors introduced by Case International in 1987. This combine is fitted with a 95-gallon diesel fuel tank and features a 3-speed hydrostatic transmission and a 47-inch wide feeder house. Threshing is completed with a 24-inch diameter, 109-inch long axle-style single rotor. The total cleaning area in the combine is 4,750 square inches. This machine is fitted with a 180 bushel grain tank that unloads at 1.9 bushels per second. The 1660 could be ordered from the factory with two different unloading augers. An 11.3 foot model was standard from the factory, and customers could order an optional 14.3 foot unloading auger. This combine weighs in at 18,225 pounds, and when the Case International 1660 Axial Flow was new, it came with a base list price of $106,673. When a farm equipped their combine with a 6-row 30-inch Case International 1063 cornhead, they would pay $20,665 for the attachment. The 1660 Axial Flow is not the only combine in Case International's history to use the 1660 model number. Back when the company was known as JI Case, its top-of-the-line combine from 1968 through 1972 was a 100-bushel capacity, 100 horsepower Model 1660, powered by a Chrysler 318 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine. The combine is equipped with a 52-inch threshing cylinder and 5 straw walkers for threshing. The original price tag of a JI Case 1660 combine was $14,940. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this Case International 1660 Axial Flow Combine harvesting corn. I would like to hear in the comment section below this video if you use Axial Flow Combines on your farm. Tell me about the model that you're running and the crops that you harvest with it. If you have appreciated this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing, where there's over 3,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.